love. This day has been 10 years in the making, but here we are finally in beautiful Bali. We've been through so much together. Lots of happy times, some sad times, ups and downs, but most importantly, we've shared so many laughs together. Regardless of what comes our way, I choose you to love and cherish every single day.
For my whole life, but with you, I know there's one thing I got right. On days when
Through the past 10 years, we lived and loved, laughed together, and cried. But we did it together as soulmates. There was nobody that I would rather spend the rest of my life with but you. I promise to be your rock that you can lean on through good times and bad, happy and sad. I will always be there for you. I promise to make you laugh and laugh with you, even if I have to take dance lessons or take a punch in the hole. I promise to comfort you in times of sorrow and pick you up when things are far gone. I promise to listen to you even when we don't agree. I promise you will never walk alone. I will always be by your side. You will always be there in my heart. I promise to always be there through sickness and in health. I promise to remain loyal physically, emotionally, and spiritually.
choose you, I do. On days when it's easy, on days when it's hard, well, I promise it's worth it. Just fall in my arms as long